This tutorial describes box plots within ImarisVantage. It will show you how to interpret the concise box plot information and how box plots can help you discover more about your data. In the second step of the Vantage plot creation wizard, the statistical variables are assigned to the chosen plot dimensions. The Show Box Plots option is selected by default. At the same time, in the numerical table, all values of the selected plot dimensions are listed. It is not always straightforward to see what information a numerical table is providing, so a box plot is a convenient way of graphically describing a group of numerical data through its 5-number summary. When the Show Box Plots option is selected, ImarisVantage automatically orders all values of the selected variables from the smallest to the largest. Then it determines the maximum and minimum, median, and important percentiles. Based on these calculations, the box plots are set up. A box plot splits the data set into quartiles. The central box contains 50% of the data. It represents the values from the 25th percentile, Q1, to the 75th percentile, Q3. The median value is indicated as the vertical line within the box plot. The straight lines, called whiskers, extend from the ends of the box. The line extending from the first quartile to the minimum contains the smallest 25% of values, and the line from the third quartile to the maximum contains the largest 25% of values. The box plots are displayed alongside Vantage plots. Box plot shows the range, spread, and median value of the selected variable. The spread of all the data is visualized on a box plot by the distance between the smallest and largest value. The box plots can be drawn in all 3 plot dimensions for multiple variables. The smaller the box, the more consistent the data values are with the median of the data. The length of the whiskers, the position of the median inside the box, and the space between the different parts of the box provides the information about the data distribution or skewness of a set of data. A near symmetric distribution is reflected by 2 whiskers equal in length and the median positioned in the middle of the box. When this is not the case and a plot box is not symmetrical, it can be concluded that the data distribution is not symmetrical. The data distribution is not symmetrical if within the data set there are either relatively more large or small values. A positive skew is characterized by many small values and a few extremely large ones. In this case, the box is shifted significantly towards the low values, and the whisker towards the higher values is longer. Equally, the distribution is negatively skewed if the box is shifted significantly to the high end with many large values and only a few extremely small ones. The simplicity of the box plot makes it ideal to analyze and compare results of multiple samples at once. If Vantage plot is composed of multiple objects, a separate box for each dataset is created in the viewing area. Plot boxes are displayed side by side. By comparing position, range, median, dispersion, and skewness, they allow a quick visual assessment of multiple datasets. They help display the differences between populations without any assumptions of the underlying statistical distribution. For ease of comparison, the color of the box plot corresponds to the color of the surpass object used as a source data. When using the time plot type, the box plots represent a moving statistical summary. The box plot position and shape changes at each time point. Moreover, the 2D summary plot projection X, Y, and XZ show colored regions and lines. These represent the 5-number summary of the selected variable over time. On these projection plots, a thick line indicates where the median value lies. The range between the Q1 and Q3 values is shown shaded, while the minimum and maximum range is lighter shaded. You can easily compare how 2 or more variables change across time based on the line position and size of the shaded regions. In the Plot Numbers area, the summary table displays numerical data that are graphically shown using a box plot. The table displays the most important percentiles of the selected variable: the minimum, the lower quartile Q1, the median, the upper quartile Q3, and the maximum. If you have questions about these features or any other feature of ImarisVantage, please contact our sales or support team. Thank you for watching this video.